We're Jess and Freddie and Winnie, of course, and we've embarked on a 6-month home renovation of our London house. After years of saving and 2 years living here, we took the plunge and knocked down a few walls and added a new floor in the loft. It is chaos, and we're living through our build and sharing all the highs and lows of taking on a home refurb project. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am working from the office today on the top floor of our house. Look at that glorious sunlight streaming through. Feels like it's rained for about a year. It just feels so nice to get a bit of sunshine. This past week we have been painting the loft, moving up to the loft. Very exciting. It feels like such a huge step in our build progress because now we have this top floor and it's like our little sanctuary and it's really nice. It's so clean, it's so light and bright. So I'm gonna share our little journey of moving to the loft and also just to start a few little updates on every floor. Tiling has begun in the shower area of the bathroom. This whole room is now fully plastered, ceiling and everything. We're gonna have 2 spots in the ceiling and then we've got the wall lights here, either side of the bathroom vanity. And this is the vanity. It just needs one more coat of paint and then it's done. Those pretty babies in the corner are the floor tiles. So we've gone for that speckled pebble floor tile look. Very dark bluish vanity. And we're gonna do brass lights over here. And I'm gonna have a black metal framed mirror. And then we've got white bathroom suite. And then we've got the white Metro vertically hung tiles on the wall. These are the Mandarin Stone Oscar in linen. I'll link all the tiles below. Builders are just finishing the skylights today, so they're just doing all the casing around them and then they're gonna pop those in. They will be done very soon. Roof lights are in. Obviously that blue plastic will be peeled off and they will be just clear glass. They're massive. Oh dear. We have a leak. They've put the roof on and sealed it with the waterproof stuff and there is a leak. I guess it's good that the rain comes sometimes because you find this stuff out very quickly. Okay, I am working with Topcashback this week to share with you their offer where they have a £15 sign up bonus for new members. Topcashback is so easy to use and actually I have only just recently got into it. It's fairly self-explanatory. Basically they give you money back for shopping online. As long as you've put the website through the Topcashback portal, they will record your visit and then you will get a percentage back of the money you spend at that store. We have been making so many online purchases whilst doing the build and now whenever I'm making an online purchase, I will always just run the website through Topcashback. I'm going to show you a little bit on how the website works. The website is so easy to use. You just sign in and then search for your retailer of choice. I'm doing B&Q today because we are doing a little bit of DIY. And it will then show you the cashback percentage rate for that retailer page. Click through and shop as normal on the retailer's website. If you go into your earnings section on your account, then you can see everywhere you've shopped and how much cashback you got on that spend. You'll also see here, this is the rewards. So once you make your first purchase, Topcashback will put in your sign up bonus. Mine was £5 at the time, but they're currently doing 15 for new sign-ups at the moment. And it will appear once you've made your first purchase through Topcashback. Like I said, it is so quick and easy to use. Topcashback also have the best cashback rates. There are thousands of well-known brands on their website. I am upcycling the bathroom vanity I sourced last week. I just think that the bathroom needs a deeper colour for it to just kind of ground the space. I think the pale was just too pale with everything else I've got going on in that room. I've made a little mood board and I'm going to show you what it looks like as the white dresser and then as a dark bluey black dresser. So I'm leaning towards that one. I am ordering the Farrow & Ball eggshell wood paint in railings. I love this colour and I've always wanted to use it somewhere in my house, so now seems like the perfect opportunity. Today we are going to be painting our bedroom. So we have decided 100% we are moving into the loft because we want the ensuite, you know? When life gives you an ensuite, you take it. This room has got a lot of work before we can move up here. We need to fire safety paint the beams, which I'm going to be doing, and Freddie is going to be priming the wood. So we've got door frames and we've got the built-in storage up here in the office area. He's also going to be tackling that little corner of plaster that we couldn't reach the other day. And yeah, I'm going to be in here. So first up, got to clean because the floor is messy and the skirting boards are dusty. So to begin painting the fire retardant paint on here, preparation is obviously key. So all the beams and the wood surface, it needs to be clean, dry and dust free. Zero flame, fire retardant paint, it's 5 litres, and this was £126 for this. So I'm really hoping I don't need more than 5 litres. Okay, so first coat's done. Now we're just sanding off bits of paint blobs and flecks of wood that may have been sticking out like this here. So it's completely smooth for the next coat. So it's taken us hours, but we've done 2 coats here. It dries so quickly, and we're now going to leave it 24 hours to do the final 3rd coat. We've got 1/3 of the tin paint left, which is good, so we're going to have plenty. We're going to start on the walls. So these were the 4 colours we had before, and we're going to go with the Blanc de Blanc by Valspar. And for my next trick, I am painting the skirting boards the same colour as the walls, so that it creates an even grander illusion of height. Also going to paint the door frames and the doors this Blanc de Blanc by Valspar. It's going on really nicely. I think you can just see it in the video that it's a different colour to Pure Brilliant. There it is there, and then the skirting is that colour too. It's just all drying at the moment. We're going to give this room like a lovely light and bright feel. Now that our windows have been put in, Winnie loves looking at them, and there's all these smudges at a Winnie height. She just loves nosing around. Also, our plants are in the bathroom here because we're going to give them a shower. Look how dusty plants get in a refurb. It's such a shame. We have been wiping them, but just it's hard to keep up sometimes. So they're getting a nice shower today. I just leave them in the shower to drain off. Last February, this poor plant had 2 or 3 leaves left. It was like on its deathbed. He made a full recovery, flushed it out with water outside, let the water run off, and then it kind of left enough water in the soil to replenish. On a fiddle fig leaf, once a leaf has grown in a certain place and then falls off, it will never grow back. So you have to kind of encourage like new shoots off it. I just don't ever want to take this plant for granted again, because look at the monster that it is. It's amazing. Also, it was our engagement present from my mum. So my Topcashback purchase has arrived. We are about to upcycle the dresser. So excited for this little project. I love a DIY project, and this is just going to be so simple. So here she is in the operating room, and Freddie's just about to start sanding, and then I'm going to paint it. After my sanding, I'm going to give it a bit of a wipe, make sure everything is off. These are the handles. I'm going to try and paint them the same colour as well. The paint says it will paint on metal. We shall see. Here we go. I feel like it's definitely going to need a few coats. And now I need a shower. Left this for 16 hours now, and it's gone on really nicely. Obviously, it looks a total mess in the video right now. We've got a beautiful dark cabinet, floor tiles, so they'll be on the floor. I just think it all works so nice in a bit of a contrasting but also cohesive way.
What do you think, Winnie? What do you think?
It has been such a successful day of decorating. Apart from this tiny little corner, Freddie reached as far as he could. It's such a big drop though. Priority is focusing on finishing this room so we can move in tomorrow. Just done the 3rd coat in here. It's looking fantastic. Thinking that that is probably going to be it for now until we can get our builder to approve it. We're going to keep the tin, we're going to keep the receipt. We've taken photos of the process so that when building control come to sign it off, we have proof that we have used the fire retardant paint. Just spent the last 10 minutes moving stuff up into the loft, and this is our rug right now, which I know is looking a bit shabby, but we didn't actually realise how shabby it was from the build until we moved furniture. Oh my god, look at that. It's so upsetting because I only bought this rug like a year ago and I adore it. And the bedroom is all ready. Spending our first night in the loft. Very, very exciting. Oh, and look who's come to join us. It's Winnie.
No.
I put you to bed downstairs, Winnie. What are you doing up here? What are you doing?
You really left it open.
Just getting into bed on the floor. Obviously, like, our setup is still very far from what it's going to be in the finished result. The last like 3-4 months, everything has been taken away from us. Like, it's being stripped back, everything's being demolished, and it's like gradually getting worse and worse. Finally, it feels like we're back on the up and we're regaining a bit of our life again. So just having a clean bedroom, starting to feel like home, which is so nice. Well, that's it from me this week. This week has been so positive. It feels so much like our home is coming back to us now, and just seeing that bathroom vanity being exactly how I hoped it would be is just really promising that the vision I had in my head for our family bathroom is actually going to be a reality, and that feels so good. A few small changes, an easy DIY project, or like moving up to the loft has just like improved everything. We'll be back next week with some more progress, and if you are going to be doing any online shopping, then don't forget to sign up to Topcashback. I have left the link below, and you will get a £15 sign up bonus once you start spending through Topcashback. You can shop all your favourite brands with the thousands of retailers that are on there. Your bonus sign up money will be in your account within 14 days of shopping through Topcashback. And I am a total convert, and I am so grateful for everyone that messaged me to say to start using it when we started our build. So I feel like I needed to reshare the message with other people as well, because it is brilliant. Thank you so much for watching another one of my vlogs, and I will see you next week with another episode. Bye!